Hello and welcome to FabTab. We all love to decorate our houses with some unique and beautiful decor pieces, but as long as I know, these decor items come with some good price tag. But I also believe that not all beautiful things are pricey. With little bit of inspiration from internet and putting those ideas together with our own creative mind, we can easily create some pretty decor items which will not only beautify our space but will also be pocket friendly. Keeping these aspects in mind, today in this video I will show you how I transform these two tins into beautiful bird cages and various ways to use them. So yes, let's begin. And this video is part 5 of Trash to Treasure DIY series. So first here I am pressing these sharp edges on the top of this tin with the help of pliers. Now after making it safe to work easily, here I have put marks at a distance of 1 inch, and to make the process of adding holes quick and not to spoil the cans by denting them, I have set eyes in these cans and using a nail just hammer it, and you can see how quick and clean a hole is made into this. Next step, after making required holes, I have taken this aluminium wire and have to cut into 9 pieces of 8-inch length. As in this one, I will leave the front part of the cage open. Now take this cut wire piece and bend it inward with the help of plier. Now this bent part we have to push through the hole on the can and press it firmly with the pliers. Likewise, we have to add all the wire pieces to this can. So after all the wire pieces are put in place, bring the top part of these wires together at the center and tie them firmly using thin wire which we use in flower making. Now to make this more sturdy and to prevent the cage from losing shape while handling, pour drop of quick fixing glue at all joints of wires. Now try to cut the extra wire at the top as much as possible. So our first base of birdcage structure is ready. Now for the second one, follow the same process and make the holes. Here I have kept a distance of 2 inch between the holes. But in this I am going to put these wire pieces across, so I have cut them little longer. Now as we did in the first cage, bend the end part of the wire and pass it through the holes. Tie the top part together at the center using same thin wire and fix the lower part of the wire firmly using plier. So our second bird cage structure is also ready. Now we have to make the top of these cages using this air dry clay, and we also have to fix a small piece of wire loop in this clay. This will help in easy handling of cage for holding or hanging. One can here make a design that suits you best at this top part. Here I have tried to keep the design simple. Let the clay dry completely for minimum 12 hours, and then using this white spray paint, color these cages completely in white, or you can also choose whatever color suits you best. Now it's time to decorate. For the first one here, I am attaching this piece of burlap at the front part with the help of glue. Then I will attach this small dried twig on this part of burlap sheet with the help of hot glue. Also, I have cut a tiny bird on the cardboard that has to be attached above this tree branch with the glue. Color the bird and the twig in your choice of color. Now for the second cage, I have covered the burlap sheet in the complete circumference of this tin, and to further decorate it, I am using the decoupage napkin and clear Mod Podge glue. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button if you like my work. So this is our design on the one side and this beautiful flower on the other side. So here our both the beautiful bird cages are ready. Now I will show you how we can use these in multiple ways. These can be used as tabletop decor pieces or can also be hanged by using a twine or a chain. Now let's start the styling. Here in the first style I am adding some pourri and some aroma oil to the first cage, and further I will style it with some flowers, twigs, foliage, add in a cute little bird figurine and a LED candle. And here you have a decorative potpourri ready. So for the other one here, I have taken this tree branch, cut it into desired size and tie it with the help of jute twine to make a swing hanging from the top of the cage. Then I have fixed in these two small birds on this swing. After this, here I am going to fill this lower portion with some dried moss, twigs and artificial plants and flowers. Whatever things are available to you, you can use as per your imagination and likings. So here we have these two beautiful decor pieces to enhance the beauty of our home. Now for the second way of using it is one can simply place some T-lite candles into these cages and they will serve the purpose of beautiful T-lite holders. And the third way, yes, how can I miss my darling plants here? Just place in your favorite plants and you have beautiful birdcage planters ready for you. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay fabulous.